Pineapple weed, Matricaria discoidea, is a close cousin of chamomile, Matricaria recutita, with many of the same reported properties, which were traditionally used to alleviate nervous conditions. Today, research shows it has mild sedative effects, helping soothe stress and anxiety and even uplift our mood. It is an annual plant native to North America and Northeast Asia. It blooms from March until September. You'll find pineapple weed growing in the most inhospitable places, especially those with poor compacted soil and thriving in dry, stony gravel areas, often near playgrounds, car parks and industrial areas. Think twice about where you pick it though, as many car parks and playgrounds are treated with pesticides, and the gravel in industrial areas can contain heavy metals. Pineapple weed resembles chamomile, with the exception that the flowers have no petals, just the centre head. It has small pointed fern-like leaves. Pineapple weed has traditionally been used medicinally as relief for gastrointestinal upset, fevers, infected sores and postpartum anemia. In folk medicine, it's sometimes utilised as a home remedy in the treatment of intestinal worms. Also, the plant, when crushed and rubbed on the skin, provides an effective yet temporary and pleasant-smelling insect repellent. You can eat the plant raw or cooked. It is frequently used as a tea, some even stating that it is better than its cousin, the commonly used chamomile. You need 1/3 of a cup of chopped pineapple weed flowers and 1 cup of butter. Over a low heat, gently melt the butter in a pan. And add half of your chopped pineapple weed buds. Leave the mixture to infuse for a few hours. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and 1 3/4 cups of plain flour. Mix the sugar in with the butter and the pineapple weed infusion. Add the teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat in the eggs. Now add the flour and mix thoroughly. Then add the rest of your pineapple weed buds. Spoon out your mixture onto a baking tray and bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade.